Welcome to Law Unwrapped, where we simplify the law to empower your future. Today, we're diving into one of the most heart-wrenching legal challenges anyone can face: a custody battle. Custody battles aren't just legal fights, they're emotional wars. When parents separate, it's not simply about who is right or wrong. The real question is, where will our child feel the most safe, loved, and stable? It's a question that keeps parents up at night, filled with anxiety and fear. But here, as a hard truth many learn too late, the parent who understands the legal system, not just their own emotions, often has a significant advantage. It's not about being cold or unfeeling. It's about being strategic and prepared. Today, I'm going to share 7 legal secrets that can help you navigate this difficult time, aiming to win or settle your custody case faster, smarter, and with far less pain for your child. Let's get right into it. Secret number 1. Always focus on the child's best interests. This is the North Star of family court. Judges aren't there to referee your personal disputes or decide who hurt whom more during the breakup. Their sole focus is the well-being of the child. This includes their stability, safety, education, and emotional health. So, instead of using your time in court to list your ex's faults, focus on demonstrating how your home provides structure, love, and consistency. Show the court you have a stable environment, a supportive routine, and a genuine commitment to your child's development. A judge will always respect a parent who can rise above their own anger to prioritize their child's needs. Secret number 2. Keep a detailed record of absolutely everything. This might sound tedious, but it is one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. Every text message, every email, every phone call related to co-parenting should be documented. Keep a dedicated parenting log where you note every pickup and drop-off time, any missed or rescheduled visits, and significant conversations. Why? Because when emotions inevitably run high and memories get fuzzy, hard evidence speaks louder than words. A judge cannot make a ruling based on he said, she said. They decide cases based on proof. Your meticulously kept records provide that proof, painting a clear, factual picture of the parenting dynamic. Don't rely on your memory, rely on your documentation. Now for secret number 3, and this one can be tough to follow, but it's crucial. Avoid alienating the other parent. It can be incredibly tempting to vent your frustrations or share your side of the story with your child, especially if you feel wronged. But you must resist this urge. Never speak badly about your ex in front of your child or in a place where they might overhear. In the legal world, this is known as parental alienation, and judges view it as a form of emotional harm to the child. The moment a court believes you are actively trying to turn your child against the other parent, you lose immense credibility. It suggests you re-putting your own conflict above your child's need for a healthy relationship with both parents. A cooperative spirit, even when it's difficult, will always serve you better. This leads us to secret number 4. Use mediation before you declare all-out war in litigation. Many people think a custody battle has to end with a dramatic courtroom showdown, but the reality is, most cases don't. Mediation offers a structured, less adversarial environment where both parents can sit down with a neutral third party to discuss custody arrangements. It's confidential, often faster, and significantly cheaper than going to trial. More importantly, courts love to see that you've attempted mediation first. It demonstrates maturity, a willingness to cooperate, and a genuine concern for finding a peaceful resolution for your child's sake. You maintain more control over the outcome in mediation, whereas in court, you hand all the decision-making power over to a judge. Secret number 5 is about showing respect for the process. Do not ignore temporary orders. Early in a custody case, a judge will often issue temporary orders for custody, visitation schedules, or child support. These aren't just suggestions. They are legally binding court orders. Follow them to the letter. If you're scheduled for a visit, be there on time. If you're supposed to have a phone call, make it happen. Violating these orders, even in small ways, can be disastrous for your case. The court is watching your behavior throughout the entire process, not just during hearings. They want to see if you are reliable, consistent, and respectful of the legal system. Your actions during the temporary phase are a preview of how you'll behave long-term. Don't give the judge any reason to doubt your character. Let's talk about your legal representation with secret number 6. Hire the right attorney, not necessarily the loudest one. It is easy to get drawn in by a lawyer who promises to fight aggressively and destroy the other side. But in family law, that approach often backfires, costing you a fortune and causing more emotional damage to your child. A great family lawyer is a strategist. They know when to negotiate and when to stand firm. They know when to file motions and when to patiently wait. They are focused on evidence, the specific custody laws in your jurisdiction, and protecting your child's future. Look for an attorney who is calm, experienced, and solution-oriented, not one who thrives on drama. Your goal is a stable future for your child, not a dramatic victory in court. And finally, we arrive at secret number 7, perhaps the most important one of all. Keep the child out of the crossfire. Your child should never be your messenger, your spy, or your emotional confidant in this process. Don't ask them questions like, "What did your mom do this weekend?" Or tell your dad he's late with the support payment. Putting your child in the middle forces them to choose sides and creates immense guilt and anxiety. Children who are caught in custody conflicts often carry those emotional scars for life. It's your job to protect them from the adult conflict. Let them be kids. Let them love both of their parents freely, without feeling like they are betraying one of them. Their emotional well-being must be your absolute priority. To recap, custody battles are painful, but the parent who succeeds is the one who plans, not the one who panics. Your strategy should be built on calm, consistent action. Focus on your child's best interests. Document everything. Never alienate the other parent. Try mediation. Follow every court order. Hire a strategic lawyer, and above all, shield your child from the conflict. Remember, custody isn't about winning against your ex, it's about winning back a sense of peace and stability for your child. They will thank you for it one day. Thank you for watching Law Unwrapped. If this video helped you, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more content that simplifies the law and empowers your future. We'll see you in the next video.